All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone who played. Yeah, sorry for the low energy tonight. I'm just done. Ew. That's the most energetic ew you're gonna get out of me today. Thanks, Skelly. Come on, Lindsay, let's hear yours.
Oh God. The thing is, I probably could do it.
Oh, I've got to hear this now. Come on.
Oh fuck.
Hello? Yeah!
That timing, Pokestar, man.